Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a Dodge Magnum. I'll put a list in the description below of all the vehicles that those actually cover. But if you guys are new to Bundy's Garage, because I'm getting a lot of new subscribers, and I thank you for that. But if you're new, just know that Bundy's Garage is all about automotive repair, DIY video repairs, tool reviews, product reviews, anything else related to automotive. I do interviews with owners and other companies in the automotive industry. So if you guys don't want to miss any of it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to hit that bell so you get notifications when I upload new videos. But I'm going to show you guys how to do the brakes on this HEMI Magnum. It's not really hard at all. Don't need a whole lot of tools to do it. So if you got a ridiculous quote to do front brakes on your vehicle, don't be scared. It's not hard. But first thing you need to do, go ahead, jack up your vehicle, secure it with a jack stand, and before you jack it up, go ahead, take all the lug nuts off, or loosen up the lug nuts, jack it up. Once it's up in the air, tires off, take all the lug nuts off and pull your tire off. So let's get started. So we're going to actually be doing the rotors. The brake pads were swapped out less than 1,000 miles ago, so those aren't actually going to be changed, but you'll get the concept if you need to change yours. The brake hardware is going to get changed out. 2 bolts. Actually, there's 4 bolts that we need to worry about here. One right here, and then one right below it as well, which sits right there. And then to get the rotor free and clear, there's 2, I think they're 18 millimeters. I could be wrong, but they are right there on the back. Now if you guys get to this point where you're trying to get these caliper bracket bolts off and you can't get it because it's super tight, one thing you can do is go ahead, get back in the car, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and that will push this whole assembly to the right, and you'll have access that'll angle it this way, right? So then you can go ahead and get a breaker bar or whatever you need to get to break those loose. So we need to loosen up these bolts right here, the caliper bolts. These are 17. If this starts spinning, if this whole assembly starts spinning, you can go ahead and grab I think it's an 18 millimeter you need, 18 millimeter wrench. Let's double check that right now. But you would hold on to this while you loosen this up. So let me check that right now. 18 millimeter wrench is what you need. This starts moving on you. But let me bring you guys in here so you guys can see what I'm doing. 18 millimeter wrench in place. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you don't drop your tools. Sometimes these are on super tight. Next one is right here. Let's see if I can get off without just... No, the back is spinning on me. So bring in the 18 millimeter. The top and the bottom caliper bolts are the same exact size, so you don't need to worry about that. So both of the caliper brackets bolts are out. Go ahead and grab your caliper and then lift it straight up and out. There we go. Like I said, the pads weren't done. The pads were actually done less than 1,000 miles ago. So let me show you that. These actually just pop out. See how much meat's on them? Brand new. If it gets stuck, go ahead, grab a screwdriver. I know some guys that'll go ahead and apply grease all to the back of the brake pad. Don't do that. Don't do that. All it does is it causes a place for grease and dust and road grime and brake dust to collect. So it didn't come from factory that way. Don't do that. Guys say, oh, it helps with the squeaking and do. If it's squeaking, there's something wrong. You did something wrong. Pulling the old brake hardware off. If you have new brake hardware, some brake pad kits come with new hardware. If you have it, great, change it out. If you don't have it, try to keep this intact and reuse it. So right here are the caliper slide pins. If you pull this boot back a little bit as you pull on the pin, you'll get the pin out, right? So these, I use Siliglide grease on these. It's a special grease that's designed specifically for slide pins. You pick this up at Napa Siliglide 765-1351. So what you want to do is go ahead and get some brake parts cleaner in a can, spray it down, get all the old grease off, wipe it off, paper towel, and then go ahead and apply new grease. Just put a little bit on there. You just wipe it around, right? Put a nice coating on there. Go ahead and reapply it. Make sure that it's not binding up at all. Make sure it slides good in and out. And then sometimes you'll get where it wants to push itself back out because there's a vacuum inside here. I just lift the boot up a little bit, create a little pinch point to let air out, and then push it in. Now we're good to go. I'll do this on this top one, the bottom one, and on the passenger side as well. Now to get the caliper bracket bolts off. They're 18 millimeter. If this bolt is too tight for you to get off with just this much room in here, go ahead and turn your steering wheel to the right or the left, depending on which side you're working on, and that'll give you room to break it free and clear. If you want, you can get a hammer. Let's get this one loose. You have to take this off to get the rotor off. Okay, now that the caliper bracket's off, rotor comes off nice and easy. We got new cross-drilled and slotted rotors for this vehicle. I know in one of Chris Fix's videos, he shows himself grinding this area down and putting some anti-seize so that the rotor won't stick next time. But if you guys come across a rotor that's stuck and you don't plan on reusing it, just get yourself a 5-pound sledgehammer, 10-pound sledgehammer, just start going to town and whack that thing off. Because yeah, it's a great concept to put anti-seize there, but it's not going to last. Sorry, Chris Fix, it's not going to last, dude, because you have all the elements and brake dust and grime and grease and salt from roads. It's just not going to last. One thing that I'll do before I put the rotor on, let's go ahead and spray both sides with some brake parts cleaner. Get the oil residue that's off from manufacturing. Okay, got that into place. Now I will take my brake caliper bracket. The slides are greased. Make sure you grease both slides. And now I'll put in the brake hardware, which sits right in here. And the same thing, once you put the new brake hardware in, you're going to want to put a light coating of Siliglide onto the top and the bottom. Not sure which one's the top or the bottom right now. Let me show you that real quick. Do not install the brake pads without these slides. So they just get pushed into place, right? New hardware. Do this one as well. Some brake pad kits come with new hardware, sometimes they don't. So like I said earlier, if you have new hardware, go ahead and use it. If you don't, clean up your old clips and reuse those. And right as I was saying, go ahead and get some Siliglide, put it right here in the crease where the brake pads go up and down. Alright. Install the bracket back on. We put a lug nut on. And that'll hold the rotor in place while we put this on. Okay, so cool. Just put a lug nut on right there. You guys can see that to hold the rotor in place while I put this bracket back into place. Just lining up the bolts in the bracket. Got the lower one started. These bolts are exactly the same, so don't worry about messing those up. So you're going to put these at 100 foot-pounds torque. You're going to bring back in your pads. Like I said, grease these up here. Grease those slides. Put your brake pads in. And if you need to, sometimes it's required to push these pistons back in. Most likely, 99% of the time, you're going to have to push these pistons back in because the old pad that came off is a lot thinner. And as the pad wears down, gets thinner, the pistons have to come farther and farther out. So with new material onto a new brake pad, you have to push these pistons back in. You get a C-clamp, go ahead, push them back in slowly. I'll put some links in the description below. Eric the car guy has a video of him doing one, but you just push the caliper pistons in nice and slow. And then after you're done, check your brake fluid reservoir up top, make sure that's full. and at the right level. And then also make sure that you press the brake pedal on the inside of the vehicle 10 times before you take off. I'm not going to show you the other side because the other side is the same exact as this side. But yeah, make sure you torque your caliper bolts down to about 100 foot-pounds, and then snug these up as well that hold on to the caliper. That's about it, guys. I'm not going to bore you. I'm not going to insult your intelligence on how you guys put this back together. If you've gotten this far, you guys can figure it out. But like earlier, if you can, subscribe to Bundy's Garage, and I'll keep them rolling for you.